Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for the iRobot Roomba 105. If you're interested in the 105 or want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first we'll start with the top. You can wipe down the cover by the two control buttons here. You'll notice that that glossy black finish is a fingerprint magnet. For the navigational bumper, make sure it's free from any obstructions or debris that could affect it from working properly. Now we'll look at it from the side. We have a sensor on the front that you can wipe down. Looking along the back side, we have our charging contacts here. You can keep an eye on those and wipe down as needed. And then we're back to the very front of the bumper. Now you'll notice on the back side, we have our removable dustbin and mopping pad. So there we go. We have that right here. First up, this is where you're going to add clean water, so not much to ever do there. This is where your filter is, where you can clean and replace the filter as needed. And then here's your dustbin. So if you want to rinse all this out, go ahead. Just give it plenty of time to dry. They have some care instructions right there on it. But you can go ahead, you can empty and clean and wipe that down as needed. In regards to the mop pad, this is removable too. And it's just a microfiber cloth, so very easy to replace when this wears out. Or if you want to give it a nice deep clean, usually after use, I'll just rinse it out in the sink. But if you want to grab it, you could take it off and put it into your washing machine to give it that deeper clean that way. With that tank removed, you can visually inspect in here to make sure there's no clogs or debris. If you have compressed air, you can always shoot that out. That would be a nice addition for the vacuum just to maintain it and help with any dirt and dust buildup. Looking at the underside now, the side brush you can cut away and detangle as needed. When these wear out, you can easily pop it off and put a new one on. You can wipe down the clip sensors there. And then lastly, for the main brush roller, cut away hair, detangle as needed. Once this wears out, very easy to replace as well. So overall, simple and straightforward to care and maintain your iRobot Roomba 105.